Hi all, Plant-Side Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at another feature of this TI Artisan titanium Twig stove. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. What prompted this video was a comment from one of the viewers about a feature you can use to in order to use alcohol burners and keeping the flame up. So I'll get to that here in a sec, but for starters, when I did the first video, and by the way, I will have a link to that video in the description if you want to chase it down. But anyway, I was playing around with this and lamenting about using a alcohol burner in this. If you just dropped it in here, it's the burner's way too far away for the sweet spot of 1 inch, give or take a quarter of an inch. And I was just goofing around, and I realized that I noticed that this had a slot in the back, and I noticed that I could stick the trivet in here in the slot if I can find it. There it is. It's thin. There we go. And then I could use these, and that was the exact height. Oh, I'm in trouble with that today. The exact height to use like an alcohol burner. In this case, my little 1 ounce tin alcohol burners that I made. So I thought that was really clever. Well, the guy in the comments suggested that you could also use the grate would fit in this slot and drop into here, and that would also burn. And I thought, wow, that's great. I'm going to go check it out. So I came back out here to the garage, and I'll take it apart for you if I can keep everything in frame. So we'll just slide this out. I can just pop this out, and then you can just see the slot. Then you can just turn this over, put the slot in there, kind of put him back, and then let's see if I can do this in frame here. And then you just drop the front plate on. Come on, I can get the there we go. That's why they call these fiddly. Let's try this again. There we go. And then this will drop down into there, and there. Now you got. Oop, that's not all the way down. Let's see here. There we go. Now it's all in there. So you can just drop your burner in there, and you'll get the correct height for that sweet spot for an alcohol burner. I go, well, yeah, that makes a heck of a lot more sense, because then you can still use your trivets to, if you had a smaller pot that you were going to use on this. So, you know, that's one thing when I discovered using the trivets down here, I thought, well, if you put the trivets down here, then you couldn't use them up here. But with this arrangement, now you can use the trivets up here. So the more I play with this stove, I really like it. I think it's really a great design. You know, I've seen a lot of different folding stoves, and like I said, this guy. But like I said, I like the idea of having the little pan on the bottom to catch the embers. And yeah, it seems nicely built. So it's lightweight titanium, and I like this little feature here. I guess if you wanted, I don't know why, you could also use the bottom plate in here too. They're the same size. So anyway, I thought, yeah, what a great idea. Yeah, it's funny, a lot of my videos are generated by viewer comments. So yeah, if you got any ideas or comments or critiques, I'm always have room for improvement. Go ahead and leave them in the comments. So I think pretty soon, my next video, I'm going to actually do a boil test with this arrangement using my titanium Canteen Mess Kit. So look forward to that. I don't know when. I'll probably later in the week. So anyway, enough of that. That's all I can think of right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.